Ever stop to think what actually happens when you insert your card into an ATM? How does it know who you are, how much money you have, and how to count out the right bills instantly and securely? Today on Knowledge Hub, we're diving deep into how ATMs handle your money without skipping a beat and without letting a single cent slip through the cracks. Let's start at the front, the card reader. When you insert your debit or credit card, the ATM reads the data encoded on the magnetic stripe or EMV chip. That includes your card number, issuing bank, and a few hidden authentication codes. But before that data goes anywhere, it gets encrypted right inside the machine. It's then sent over a secure encrypted connection, usually a private VPN or TLS tunnel to your bank's servers. And that's just step one. Next comes your PIN. You enter it, but the ATM doesn't send that number directly. Instead, it uses a built-in hardware security module, or HSM. This is a tamper-proof encryption processor inside the machine that takes your PIN and instantly scrambles it using a cryptographic key. The bank decrypts it on their end, checks if it matches, and if everything adds up, balance, limits, account status, it sends back a green light. Authorization approved. Now the mechanical magic begins. Inside the ATM is a small steel vault packed with cash cassettes, each holding a specific denomination, 10s, 20s, or whatever the machine is stocked with. A motorized mechanism, guided by rollers and sensors, selects the right number of bills and sends them toward the output tray. But it doesn't just trust the count. As each note moves through, it's scanned for thickness, length, and alignment. Some machines even check for magnetic ink, UV patterns, or watermarks to detect counterfeit currency. If something doesn't add up, like a misfeed or a suspicious bill, the whole transaction gets canceled, and the error is logged automatically. And the security? It's not just digital. ATMs are physically protected too. Many are fitted with anti-skimming devices to block card cloning attempts. Others include die packs to mark stolen cash, GPS trackers to monitor the machine's location, and internal cameras to catch tampering in real time. In some areas, biometric ATMs are becoming standard, using fingerprint or palm recognition before any money moves. And every interaction from inserting your card to the final cash drop is time-stamped, encrypted, and recorded in a digital log that can be traced all the way back. Even when the ATM is idle, it's never truly asleep. The system performs self-checks, monitors for unusual behavior, and stays in contact with the bank's back end. If someone tries to hack it, shake it, or even slightly tilt it out of position, alerts go off. Some machines can even shut themselves down or lock their cash vault automatically during an attack. So next time you're at an ATM, waiting those few seconds for your cash to appear, remember what's happening behind the scenes. Your identity is being verified. Your request is being analyzed, money is being counted with sub-millimeter precision, and dozens of security systems are working in perfect harmony to protect every single note. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because here at Knowledge Hub, we decode the hidden tech that powers your everyday life. And as always, stay curious.